The last technique that we're going to demonstrate on this video is what I refer to as the phasing tone. The phasing tone is generating an overtone with your mouth that comes through the didgeridoo as a secondary note. That's going to sound like this. Now, in your mouth, to create that noise, you have to experiment with the letter R. Now, the easiest way to first find that note is to say re, but you say it very slowly. Re. If you can listen there, you can hear at the very middle point of it, there's an extra note that's coming in. Re. Re. What you want to do is stop halfway through your R. That's where your overtone is. Give it another shot. Now, if you can go back to the same shape that your mouth had at the beginning of the R, you'll hear the phasing tone move back and forth. Now, through the didgeridoo, that's going to sound like this. Also experiment with simply saying re, 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 re. Really slow down the R. In the didgeridoo, that's going to come across this way. If you're having trouble getting the extra note in your didgeridoo, sometimes it helps to add a bit of drool. So go ahead and let the spit fly, and you'll find that the phasing tone note actually sharpens up. That's me saying Now keep in mind, I am doing this with my didgeridoo without the benefit of my voice. You can add your voice while you're doing it, and it may actually help you at the beginning, but it's important to be able to do it without using your voice. The easiest way to do that is think of it as a whisper through the didgeridoo. Just like that. So, once again, the phasing tone is inside the letter R. All you need to do is say the syllable re and slow it down until you can hear the extra note come in. Once you have, try and stop there and then go backwards from that point. Experiment with that until you feel like you have a bit of control without the didgeridoo, and then give it a shot on the instrument. Why don't you give that a try right now?